Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of Canon's flagship DSLR cameras, the Canon EOS-1D Mark III. This camera is designed for professional photographers and videographers who demand speed, durability, and top-notch image quality. Build quality. The build quality of the Canon 1DX Mark III is absolutely rock solid. It features a rugged magnesium alloy body with extensive weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture. This camera is built to withstand the toughest shooting environments, from rainy football games to dusty safari adventures. Sensor image quality. The 1DX Mark III sports a newly developed 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor paired with Canon's Digic X image processor. This combination delivers impressive image quality with excellent detail, dynamic range, and color reproduction. Autofocus system. One of the biggest improvements on the 1DX Mark III is the autofocus system. It features a 191-point AF system with 155 cross-type points covering a wide area of the frame, enabling fast and precise focus tracking. Performance speed. This camera is built for speed. It can shoot continuous burst images at up to 16 frames per second with the optical viewfinder, and up to 20 fps in live view mode with autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. Video capabilities. Canon has also stepped up the video game with the 1DX Mark III. It supports 5.5K RAW video recording internally at up to 60 frames per second, which is a massive deal for professional videographers. It can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with no crop, offering high-quality footage with great detail. Canon log and HDR PQ profiles are available for wider dynamic range and better color grading in post-production. Battery life. The battery life is excellent, rated at around 2,850 shots per charge, which is great for long shoots without needing to swap batteries often. Overall, this camera is nice. Thank you so much.